If you're looking for a hostel in Siargao na maganda ang vibe, you can definitely try staying in Tropical Temple, Siargao. I'm here na guys sa Tropical Temple at meron sila akong welcome drink. Dito lang ako sa waiting area nila sa lobby kasi 2 p.m. pa yung check-in time. And it's okay kasi ang ganda here. So merong mga nag-work doon I think. So for digital nomad, I think okay to kasi meron namang free wifi. Ang ganda, maganda yung place din. I booked the room through Agoda. It's a mixed dorm room. So, merong mga kasamang ibang tao sa room. Pero no worries kasi meron kayong sariling lagayan ng mga luggages at meron na ring bathroom sa loob ng dorm room. They also provided a dental kit and towels during my stay. They also have pool, so kung gusto niyo mag-swimming, you can do it. I booked a room with Tropical Temple because of their aesthetic place and ang ganda ng vibe. And they also have a restaurant. Masarap din yung food. I tried it during my stay. At masarap tumambay sa lobby. And you can also work there if you want. Again, it's Tropical Temple, Siargao.